Hello everyone, welcome back to LearNowX YouTube channel. This video will discuss Python for machine learning and data science, exploring the essential concepts. So let's get started. In today's digital age, Python is the preferred language for data science and machine learning due to its simplicity, versatility and extensive library ecosystem, making it ideal for practitioners in these fields. Now, let's talk about why Python. A powerful language for machine learning and data science, Python's popularity in data science and machine learning stems from its readable and simple codes, accelerating learning and promoting team collaboration. Another advantage of Python is its vast ecosystem of libraries explicitly tailored for machine learning and data science. Let's look at some of the essential libraries. Number 1. NUMPY. Crucial for numerical computing in Python with powerful array objects and math functions for larger dataset. Number 2. Pandas. Versatile Python library for data manipulation and analysis. Introduces data frame for efficient handling and preparation of structured data. Number 3. MATPLOTLIB. Powerful plotting library for captivating visualizations. Students can present findings visually with versatile plots, customization and multiple formats support. Number 4. Last but not the least, SCIKIT-LEARN. Powerful user-friendly machine learning library for classification, regression, clustering and model evaluation. Popular amongst beginners with comprehensive documentation. To learn more, join our Python course, and now let's discuss how Python and libraries like Panda excel in data manipulation and analysis. Firstly, Python offers several methods to import data from CSV, Excel, database and web APIs. Pandas simplify data reading, transformation and analysis with data frames. Secondly, Pandas, a powerful tool for data cleaning and handling missing values, outliers, duplicates and inconsistent format. It enhances data integrity and improves analysis accuracy. Thirdly, Python Pandas and Visualization Library enables EDA for students to understand the data structure, characteristics and relationship through summary stats and visuals. To expand your knowledge further, join our Python course, and now let's move on to the exciting field of machine learning with Pythons. SCIKIT-LEARN offers data preprocessing utilities for machine learning, including feature scaling, categorical variable encoding, and dataset splitting for training and testing. SCIKIT-LEARN offers various machine learning algorithms, supervised and unsupervised, along with tools for model selection, hyperparameter tuning, and performance evaluation. Python empowers students to deploy trained models using TensorFlow and PyTorch for real-world application like image classification, natural language processing. In conclusion, mastering Python unlocks valuable data insights. NUMPY, Pandas, Matplotlib, and SCIKIT-LEARN provides a powerful toolkit for your manipulation, analysis, visualization, and machine learning. Join LearNowX for comprehensive Python courses in machine learning and data science. Acquire the skills for the success in these fields. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the LearNowX YouTube channel for more exciting content. Remember, knowledge is the key to unlock doors to the success in data science and machine learning. Happy coding!